Next, we have Outstanding Contribution Through the Years, which is a dinner for two, Bernala Keynes Hall, the Ursuline Convent. Next, we have Spirit of Enterprise, which goes to H2O Herbal Infusion, which is Ursuline Convent. We have Oluyomi Lane, Ariel Brathwaite, and Asura Onifa. Sophie and Eastern Orators Toastmasters Youth Leadership Program.
My name is Olajimi Chumachenda Lane.
Asura Onifa.
Ariel Brathwaite, Ursuline Convent.
A2O Herbal Infusions.
We come up with A2O because since two of our business partners' names begin with A, we decided to use those two A's plus one of our other partners begins with the letter O. Then they begin with O. So we play it together. That's what it's called H2O.
A2O, which is also a play on H2O since most of our products are water-based. The process of making the infused waters is letting them in a jar. Sometimes I prefer them to put in the sun because then you would get natural vitamin D from the sunlight and it'll infuse naturally instead of boiling them in water, which will make a tea instead. And it varies how strong or weak you want it as how long you sit it. One of the many health benefits are that when you drink, for example, rosemary water, which is one of our most popular flavors, is that helping with your hair growth, your skin being regenerated, the water in your scalp and face and everything that your body needs to be replenished, and it'll also give you a nice, everyone wants to wake up to that beautiful morning face.
We donated to the Children's Development Center because we are,
All dyslexic?
Yeah, but we're dyslexic and stuff, and people think that because you are
that you're special needs,
special.
that you're supposed to be in a wheelchair or not being able to do certain exams.
Well, I learned about how to manage the business, how to manage the money, and how to engage with customers.
Excellence in upcycling and the spirit of the $20 challenge. We're going to ask from the Ursuline Convent, Melissa Alcock, to join us on stage. Congratulations. Is going to get a professional photo shoot, lunch with an entrepreneur, the book Thriving Solo, and then also the Eastern Orators Toastmasters Youth Leadership Program.
My name is Melissa Alcock. I am 18 years old. My business name is Bottle It Bright.
My project is about recycling wine bottles into decorative lights. They are environment friendly, battery operated, low heating, non-electrical shocking. It can be safe for your children. It can be used central pieces for your table, such as formal and informal gathering, wedding, bars, romantic, and so much more. So when I start my business, I asked restaurants and bars. They were so bad to give me bottles, to get rid of the bottles. The customers love it, and I have 2 repeat customers, and one of her daughters sent to overseas in Australia, and my family and friends like it, and they sent to New York and Canada. I made over $1,000, and I will donate 10% Children Development Center and bottles to raise funds. What I like about $20 Challenge is to give me support to show off my product, and it's give me confidence on my own